Siner Technology is a modern high-tech company in China, offering one-stop service from ID design, research and development, manufacturing to transportation. Products categories include rechargeable lithium battery, lithium polymer battery, LFP battery, and battery pack. We specialize in this field for 10 years with advanced equipment, scientific management techniques, and excellent quality control which earn us customers all over the world. Our batteries have got UL, CB, CE, ROHS certifications. Some models also passed KC BIS certifications. Our products are widely used in e-bike, e-scooter, Bluetooth headset, vacuum cleaner, consumer products, emergency light, GPS, digital player, solar wind energy storage. People-oriented. Quality first is the soul of our enterprise development. We provide clean battery solutions to our customers and believe that our high-quality products and strong relationships with consumers are the key to our success and achieve win-win.